wait before you skip this, because I want to share with you what happens when you commit to the gelatin trick for 30 whole days. You see, people often talk about the instant benefits of gelatin trick, but the real magic happens when you make it a consistent part of your daily routine. After a month of incorporating the gelatin trick into your morning or bedtime routine, you'll start to notice subtle yet significant changes in how your body feels. Your friend might have told you about the gelatin trick, but it's the long-term effects that'll really get you hooked. Researchers say that gelatin can help with gut health, and when you do the gelatin trick regularly, you'll wake up feeling more refreshed and ready to take on the day. The gelatin trick is all about creating a simple daily ritual that uses basic ingredients from your kitchen, and after 30 days, you'll be amazed at how your body responds. If you're curious about how to get started with the gelatin trick, check out the link in my description below. And for more tips and stories from people who have tried it, head to the pinned comment where I've shared a special resource. Dive into the world of gelatin trick and see the difference it can make for yourself.